People are doing some absolutely wild things with AI today, specifically when it comes to turning one long video into dozens of viral snackable clips. I have been completely obsessing over this workflow lately, and honestly, Vizard is the one tool I keep finding myself coming back to. In this video, I want to give you a deep dive, rapid-fire tour of all the clever ways creators are using Vizard to automate their editing and actually build an audience. First off, a quick heads up. If you are new to the platform, check out their Getting Started guide to learn the best practices for uploading and configuring your settings. I will link to that in the description below, but right now I want to show you the stuff that actually matters, the workflows and little tricks most people never talk about. Think of Vizard not just as another editor, but as the autopilot for your entire short-form content strategy. It is built to find the high-value moments in your webinars, podcasts, or long live streams and turn them into ready-to-post clips with captions. You can upload a 90-minute podcast and let the software automatically scan for laughs, applause, or loud reactions to suggest the best segments. This saves you from spending hours manually scrubbing through footage just to find a 10-second highlight. You can even adjust the sensitivity settings to get longer clips for platforms like IGTV or snappier, shorter hooks for TikTok. Batch processing is another game changer. Drop a series of interviews into a folder and let it spit out dozens of clips all at once. Pair this with their auto-schedule feature, and you have essentially turned your backlog of footage into a hands-off publishing machine. The content calendar is genuinely useful because you can drag clips around, swap thumbnails, and reschedule without breaking your original edit. Vizard also auto-generates captions and lets you repurpose the same video into vertical, square, or landscape versions with automatic cropping. Those captions are fully editable and time-accurate, which massively speeds up your localization workflow for different global markets. You can even use A/B thumbnail suggestions to test which cover image gets more clicks, helping you iterate like a pro designer. If you are a course creator, extract your key lesson points into short, digestible micro-learning clips that are easier for students to consume. For creator collaborations, Vizard helps produce a stack of promo snippets for each creator to share, keeping the branding consistent for everyone. It is also fantastic for building ad creative, allowing you to test different hooks and messages without re-editing every single piece by hand. If you run a character-driven show, you can maintain consistent intros, outros, and branding across dozens of clips to help with audience recognitions. Live streamers can take 2 hours of raw footage and isolate the most attention-grabbing moments to keep traffic flowing long after the stream ends. Since everything is based on transcripts, you can search your entire library for specific phrases and clip them instantly. You can even translate those auto-generated captions into other languages, opening up your content to international audiences effortlessly. Save your brand templates, like logo pills and lower thirds, so every single clip looks polished and professional with zero manual setup. It integrates beautifully with cloud storage services and platforms like Zapier, so you can automate your entire clipping workflow. Look at the engagement metrics on your generated clips to see what timestamps perform best. Then tune your settings to find more of those moments. Instead of scrambling each week for new ideas, set a regular cadence in Vizard and focus your energy on recording more high-quality long-form material. I once turned a single 50-minute interview into 10 quick tip clips, 5 funny outtakes, and 3 emotional micro-stories. While tools like CapCut or Premiere are great for manual control, they simply do not scale well for this kind of bulk repurposing. Descript is amazing for text-based editing, but it is not nearly as automated for the batch clip extraction that Vizard specializes in. That gap between manual craft and automated scale is exactly where Vizard truly shines for creators. A great example workflow is to upload an hour-long tutorial, enable the highlight and caption settings, and pick your top 8 clips to schedule for the week. You can also export clips directly or grant teammates access to the content calendar so your entire marketing team stays on the same page. If you need heavier design work for your intros, export your files to Canva or Figma, tweak them, and then re-import them back into the tool. Now, no tool is perfect, and you might occasionally need to give the AI a little human guidance, especially on specific cuts or caption spelling. But even with those small adjustments, you are still saving dozens of hours every single month. You can even use it for internal company training or sales enablement by creating short clips that teams can easily drop into emails. Consider pairing Vizard with other AI tools, like using visual AI for thumbnails, and then plugging those assets into your Vizard workflow. The trade-off here is clear. You get fast, automated outputs that are designed specifically for scale. If your goal is to take long-form content and systematically turn it into a discoverable short-form engine, this is the tool that does the work for you. If you haven't tried it yet, upload one long recording, let it extract 5 clips, and just watch how much easier your content planning becomes. Drop a comment below with the type of videos you make, and I will give you a few tailored tips on how to optimize your own settings. That is it for me today, and I hope you found this breakdown useful for your own content systems. Let the tool do the heavy lifting so you can focus on what really matters: making more great stuff.